team decided to focus on providing United Airlines travelers with a personalized experience to help them realize the value in purchasing in-flight Wi-Fi and make clear the variety of applications they could access via Wi-Fi while traveling. Through primary and secondary research, we discovered several distinct groups of travelers that have individual needs regarding access to online content. These needs can be very specific. For example, streaming video meetings, access to children's shows, or checking game scores in real time. Most airlines advertise a very generalized Wi-Fi plan, which does not specifically cater to these individual needs. Our strategy is to focus on the traveler, providing inspiration for ways they can use in-flight Wi-Fi to enhance their journey and enticing them to purchase a plan based on partner benefits. United customers start their journey when they book the flight. United Wi-Fi will be advertised and made available as an additional option in the booking process, illustrating the personalized nature of the service based on customer data points and inviting the traveler to pre-purchase Wi-Fi ahead of time to take advantage of entertainment options. United customers will be provided with a portal personalized to their needs based on existing data points known to United, based on booking and details from Mileage Plus memberships where available. If they've not already purchased Wi-Fi, then this personalized offering, including trial versions of partner services, may entice them to do so. The goal of personalizing the experience is to co-design the customer experience with the customer, giving them a stronger feeling of agency in their in-flight services. There will be two distinct types of advertisements in the entertainment sections. One with a link to shop in-flight, which directs user to purchase Wi-Fi before continuing on to help the last-minute traveler book a hotel, for example, or to purchase last-minute Disney souvenirs. Information advertisements are the second type. These may be in partnership with destination businesses, inspiring users to seek out more information online and also inspiring them to purchase a Wi-Fi plan. After disembarking, travelers should receive a follow-up email regarding their use of a premium partner service online, courtesy of the United Airlines partnership, and offering them a membership or extended trial. Our strategy focuses on three potential types of strategic partnerships. The first is a partnership with companies that provide in-flight entertainment. This might include multimedia streaming and production companies like Netflix or Hulu, music and podcast companies such as Spotify or Apple Music, content providers such as YouTube or TikTok, or apps like Headspace that provide guided meditations and other offerings that promote rest and relaxation. The value to the customer is free access to premium services during the flight. Value provided to the partner company is found in customers who are more likely to subscribe to their services after their premium in-flight experience, and the value to United Airlines is that these offers act as enticement to purchase in-flight Wi-Fi. Another type of strategic partnership would be to partner with commercial businesses to sell merchandise to travelers while on board. Much like Instagram Shops, and taking inspiration from SkyMall, United could partner with brands who want to provide an in-flight online shopping experience to advertise and sell souvenir or destination items to travelers in transit. This would incentivize United customers to purchase in-flight Wi-Fi and use the United app to make purchases. Finally, United could partner with destination businesses to advertise services during in-flight entertainment. This might be especially beneficial for last-minute travelers, providing suggestions for hotels and car rentals, local entertainment options, fine dining, and so forth. This partner option is a little more subtle, not directly motivating users to purchase Wi-Fi, but perhaps sparking the desire to get online and look up the advertising businesses to plan for their destination. Upon the conclusion of their journey, travelers should receive an email containing reminders of the content they enjoyed during their use of United Wi-Fi services, offers of extended trial memberships, promo codes for discounts, and links to join. These could be customized to specifically refer to exclusive content hosted by the provider or enjoyed by the traveler while on board as enticement to continue enjoying those services.